I got it. Frankie, what are you doing?
Checking on the inventory on our trucks right now.
Forget that. Grab the camera. We got something to do.
Oh boy, here we go.
What? Keep walking. Hurry up. Let's go. Run. What month is it?
It's March.
No, it's truck month. We got to promote all these Tacomas and Tundras. Ready?
Sure.
Okay, first cue the music. All right, then I want you to do the drone shot, focus on me, and then show the whole sky. Pull back and show all the Tacomas and Tundras on the lot. That's what we're gonna start off with, okay?
All right.
Put my sunglasses first. All right, then I want you to turn this into that. All right, like do some magic tricks. So it's gonna go from here and then there. What do you think?
Sure.
Then I'm gonna want you to put some fireworks and some lightning strikes. Show everybody the Tacomas and Tundras, and then put like an eagle screeching by the video. All right?
All right.
And then I want you to take my voice and beep in it.
What's that gonna do?
It's gonna sound better. Truck month, like make it really low, like reverb and all that echoey stuff. And then we'll open the taco holder and say, take a bite out of this taco. No, this one. Oh, yeah, this one. All right, now do some jumping jacks. Go, go, go. Count them off.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, say 1 Tacoma, 2 Tacoma.
1 Tacoma, 2 Tacoma, 3 Tacoma, 4 Tacoma.
Ah, yeah. Okay, then I want you to take that, right, and get the crazy time lapse shot.
All right.
Faster! And then we'll get Guillermo to get over here. Promote the used trucks that we got on the lot.
We got a GMC Denali here, 2 Verados, Dodge Ram. I mean, we got everything here for you guys.
And put another eagle screech behind there, up there. Look like you're seeing an eagle.
Wow, what the heck is that?
It's truck month.
What?
Hey, okay, let me know. I wonder why when I ain't on the phone. This ain't a hoe, this ain't a foe. Grind never stopping, I'm keeping it cold. Unlocking the door with the holy key. You supposed to be this close to me.